Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is your SST teacher from F6 Fort Road Middle Wing Boys. Today we are going to discuss assignments of week 8. In this week we are going to continue our unit number 3, our past and our present. You remember we started this unit last week. Objectives of our today's lesson are to get you people familiar with the terms and vocabulary and define different ancient sites in Pakistan. So first of all, you will open up your textbook, page number 35. You will read these pages, page number 35, 36 and 37. Here in these pages, you will learn about the early civilization of Pakistan. Early civilization in Pakistan. Before you learn about different civilizations, it is necessary to learn what does this term mean, civilization. A civilization is the way of life of community during a particular period of time in a particular part of the world. You know, students, Pakistan is a home of many ancient sites. And among those ancient sites, we are going to learn about 4 well-known ancient sites in Pakistan. So at number 1 comes Sohan Valley, dates back to the Stone Age and it is situated in the Sohan River Valley. You know, we studied about Stone Age. If you remember, we studied that it was a time when people used to hunt animals for food. They used to make their tools with stone and wood, and they used to live in caves. They didn't even have houses. So this valley, Sohan Valley, it belongs to Stone Age. Then comes Mehergarh. You know, students, Mehergarh culture was the first culture in the world to establish agriculture and livestock. Before this, people used to hunt animals, and this is the first culture that established agriculture and livestock. The remains of one of the earliest civilization in Pakistan were excavated by the team of archaeologists in 1976 at Mehergarh. Then comes Mohenjo-daro. Students, among these 4 sites which you are going to learn this week, among these 4 sites, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are the best known sites from Indus Valley civilization. Mohenjo-daro was discovered in 1922 after people living near Larkana found some old coins and bricks. People who were living near Larkana, they found some strange type of coins and bricks, and then archaeologists, people started excavating that site, and then they discovered Mohenjo-daro. Then and Mohenjo-daro, this site is situated in Sindh, which is the province of Pakistan. And Harappa, this site is located in Punjab. Punjab is another province of Pakistan, you know very well. And this site, the site of Harappa civilization was discovered in 1920 by the Archaeological Survey Department of British Indian government. As you can see the pictures, these are the different pictures of ancient sites. Success criteria is remember to use dictionary to find out meanings, avoid spelling mistakes, search internet to find more information about early civilization and artifacts. So what is the written work of this week? As I have told you that you are supposed to read page number 35, 36 and 37. So reading of these pages will be done by you, and in written task you will write the meanings of 5 difficult words from pages 32 to 33. From these 2 pages 32, 33, you will find out whatever the words you find difficult. You will choose 5 words from those difficult words and you will write their meanings using dictionary. and must remember to learn their spellings as well. As you can see this in this unit you will find many difficult and words which have difficult spellings, so it's necessary to learn their spellings as well. And this work is going to be done on loose sheets. This is all about today's assignment. I hope you can do it very easily. You just have to read out the pages and you will find 5 difficult words that you will write their meanings using dictionary, and then you will learn their spellings as well. Thank you very much and take good care of yourself.